Hello students, today we are going to do some numericals based on Newton's law. In the last class we have studied the Newton's three laws and today we are going to do some numericals. A force acts on a body of mass 20 kg initially at rest for 6 seconds, after which the force ceases. Now the body describes 60 meter in next 5 seconds. Find the magnitude of the force. Okay, so see here, after the force is stopped, means after the force is removed, the body is moving with constant velocity. Now what is the velocity? So as it is given here, the body describes a distance of 60 meter in 5 seconds. So velocity will be how much? 60 by 5, that is 12 meter per second. So that is the velocity. Now initially the body was rest, so it means u is 0 and v is 12, and the force was applied for 6 seconds. So from here we can find the acceleration a equal to v minus u by t, that is 2 meter per second square. So by Newton's second law, the force F is equal to m into a. The mass of the body is given in the problem as 20 kg into a 2, that is 40 Newton. Okay, question number 2. A constant retarding force of 50 Newton is applied on a body of mass 20 kg initially moving with a speed of 15 meter per second. How long does the body take to stop? To see here, u is a force is applied of 50 Newton on a body of mass 20 kg. So from here we can find the acceleration by the Newton's second law. F is equal to ma, so a will be what? F by m, that is 50 by 20, that is minus 2.5 meter per second square. Now time they have asked. So a equal to, we know the formula, a is equal to v minus u by t. From this formula you can find time. Time is equal to v minus u by a, that is coming to be 6 seconds. Okay. Now let's come to example 5. The driver of a three-wheeler moving vehicle with a speed of 36 km per hour sees a child standing in the road and brings the vehicle to stop in 4 seconds to save the child. What is the average retarding force? How far was the child from the three-wheeler when the brakes were applied? The mass of the vehicle is 400 kg and the driver mass is 65 kg. So first of all, we will find what is the retardation. U is equal to 36 km per hour. Convert it into meter per second. Okay, multiply by 1000 by 60. It will become 10 meter per second. And V is, as you know, is 0 because the car has stopped. The truck, whatever it is, the three-wheeler has stopped. So now A is V minus U by T. That is 0 minus 10 by 4. That is minus 2.5 meter per second square. Total mass of the vehicle, that is mass of the truck plus mass of the driver, is 465 kg. So what is the force required? F is equal to m into a. So 465 into 2.5, that is 1162.5 Newton. Okay. Now they have asked what is the distance. So you know the formula v square equal to u square plus 2as. From this formula you find s. V square minus u square by 2a. So v is 0, u is 10, and you will get the value of 20 meter. The child was 20 meter before the brakes were applied. Okay. So this way we can do many sums. Okay, let us see the next sum. A rocket was lift of mass 2000 kg is blasted upward with an initial acceleration of this much. Find the initial thrust of the blast. So see, acceleration is what? What is the net acceleration, total acceleration of the rocket? G plus A. What is the total acceleration? G plus A, 9.8 plus 5, 14.8. And the mass of the rocket is given. So what is the initial thrust required to lift the rocket? F is equal to m into A. That is 2.96 into 10 by 5 Newton. So this is the total force required to lift the rocket. Okay students, I am sending more sums. Please see those sums also and do it and write all the sums in the copy.